Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chung tini nalinai Dibrugarh University ni hoite kaisa ketal job notification faimani obong khabongni website boni website ni address engkha dibru.ac.in aboni pore naidi obong khabongni website norok orono nugoi manana kaisa option dong recruitment senai o jaga chung click ma khainai aboni pore o page open nai norok nugoi mano o jaga no faijak advertisement for the post of scientist B aboni pore senior project research fellow and field investigator for a research project under ICMR-MERA India New Delhi takhwk bwkhwk o notification chung purana nin bagai o jaga click ma khainai aboni pore o page opening nai norok nugui mano obono notification chung obono nai purana nin bagai o jaga kaisa option to download hnai o jaga chung click ma khainai aboni pore pura notification norok nugui mano application format bo tongo jaga jotono norok mani manai faidi chung nalena Department of Sociology Dibrugarh University Dibrugarh Assam notice applications are invited for the following post mentioned below under the extramural project community behavior and its determinants in relation to malaria prevention and control in Assam and Tripura implemented by Department of Sociology Dibrugarh University Dibrugarh Assam under ICMR-MERA India New Delhi nugumano takhwk bwkhwk obongkha post ni bumung pulano tongo scientist B non medical oboni bagai package tongo kaisa no tai place of work engkha Assam and Tripura tai oboni bagai essential qualification tai experience nangnai first class masters in life sciences from a recognized university with 2 years experience in related field hayakeba or second class master degree with PhD in relevant subject from a recognized university hayakeba BDS hayakeba VB science degree with 1 year experience tai oboni bagi no monthly consolidated salary jangnai 50,100 per month omongkha consolidated tai no 10% increase khaijangnai every year no tai oboni bagi upper age limit for fresh recruits 35 years aboni pore second post ni bomong angkha senior project research fellow oboni bagi total vacancy angkha 3 tai oboni bagai place of work angkha Assam ni bagai kaini tai Tripura ni bagai kaisa oboni bagai essential qualification tai experience nangnai postgraduate degree in basic science or postgraduate degree in professional course haike social sciences haike humanities with 2 years research experience tai oboni bagai monthly salary jangnai 35,000 per month plus 8% HRA consolidated tai oboni bagai upper age limit engkha 30 years aboni pore post ni bomongkha field investigator oboni bagai bo total number of vacancy engkha 3 numbers or ni bisingo place of work Assam ni bagai tongo kaini tai Tripura ni bagai tongo kaisa oboni bagai qualification tai experience nangnai graduate in science haike relevant subjects haike ba from a recognized university with 3 years work experience from a recognized institute or master degree in the relevant subject haike ba social sciences haike humanities oboni bagai nongno salary jangnai 31,000 per month consolidated tai 10% increase jangnai every year no tai oboni bagai upper age limiting kha 30 years takhwk bwkhwk obongkha purely temporary basis job tai oboborok kuno guarantee je ullogo regular rang thangnai hinai tai jodi no obonotoi interested tongkhangke boni kaisa application format tongo norok nugui mano obono fill up khaidi fill up khamani pore noni documents rok scan khaidi scan khamani pore boni o email address ori hodi last date kha 7th October 2021 tai boni email address kha poranjal sarma@dibru.ac.in spelling kha PRANJALSARMA DIVRU.ac.in takhwk bwkhwk song norok obohomani pore jara eligible candidate nomborok date and time shahor jangnai interview ni bagai via email tei tai age relaxation tongo norok to nugui mano aboni pore on notification ang description box ri rono norok download khai pura notification waisha nai nai di tai obongkha application format nai di o jaga noni photo mathe panai tai obongkha advertisement number tai nung bo post bagi apply khai tong bo fill up ma khai nai tai ni nibumung sidi capital letter by tai father ni mung apor date of birth tai abon pore male female abon pore address for correspondence tai noni mobile number belekhana nangkok mani obo active mobile number redi tai noni email id belai nangkok mani active email id redi tai nationality religion category marital status tai obo norok nogui mano noni name of the examination year of passing board university subject tai division class obo mention khaidi abon pore omkha work experience busuk sing busuk jara tamo post tongmani busuk scale over mention khaidi tai joroni kuno publication tonghanke ba norok rimano use separate sheet if necessary aboni pore omkha declaration tai omkha undertaking rumani pore fill up khai rihodi boni email address 7th October 2021 ni bisingono takhwk bwkhwk song o job ni bagai to ashokno norok jodi interest tonghanke apply khai nei mano takhwk bwkhwk song phaidi cheng tai kesa job notification ti nelai nei naidi obongkha bongni hoite advertisement phaimani vacancy ত্রিপুরাতে কুরিয়ার ডেলিভারি করার জন্য লোক চাই বেতন প্রতি মাসে ৭,০০০ থেকে ৯,০০০ কোম্পানি পেরোল এক্সট্রা বেনিফিটস পিএফ তারপর পরে ইএসআইসি মোবাইল বিল পেট্রোল এক্সপেন্সেস ইনসেন্টিভ নন রোজাগনাই বরক কুরিয়ার ডেলিভারি বরক নাঙি দङ norok jodi obnotui interest songkhanke borbai contact khaine mano boni contact number angkha 9362334347 tai kesa number angkha 8837453729 takhwk bwkhwk song norok interest songkhanke ba apply khai naimano haisi Terin bagai to ashakno belai kheno hambai ani o video no naima bagai khwlwmkha